Good afternoon, people. I am going to show you how to crochet a flower. This is a simple flower with 5 petals, and you can use any size of hook that goes with the yarn or the thread, and you can use any sizes of thread as well or yarns. And okay, this is very simple, guys, and we are going to be quick. Okay, make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join it with a slip stitch into the beginning chain. But usually people joining it on the back loop of the chain, and to me, if I'm making a ring using a chains, I used to join it at the back ridge of the stitch. Okay, this is the stitch, and this one on top here behind, that's the back loop, and the back is the back ridge. So I am going to join it with slip stitch there. The reason why I use the back ridge for joining is more secure. Okay, now into the ring we are going to make 10 single crochet. So make a single chain, this is not counted, and make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We are going to join it with slip stitch here and make a chain 3. And now we are going to make a 4 treble crochet into the next stitch. So wrap around yarn on hook twice, 1, 2, and insert hook into the next stitch. Pull up yarn, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, and draw 2 loops. We are going to repeat that. Wrap around yarn on hook twice, and we are going to insert into the same stitch, and we are going to repeat the process. Okay, and we are going to repeat this 3 more times using the same stitch. One more. Okay, we just done the first petal, and make a chain of 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Okay, we have the first petal, and now we are going to make a chain 3 again, and into the next stitch we are going to make 5 treble crochet. Wrap around yarn on hook twice and insert hook into the next stitch. Pull up yarn, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, and draw 2 loops. We are going to repeat this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and make a chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Okay, Now we have 2 petals. All right, and make a chain 3 again, and we are going to repeat it for the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch again, and chain 3 again, and 5 treble crochet into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then make a chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch, and chain 3. Okay, now we have 4 petals, and we are going to do the last petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a chain 3. And to join, we are going to join it with slip stitch at the bottom of this beginning chain 3 in the beginning of the round. Slip stitch there, and we can close the work, and ta-da! We have the 5 petals. Okay, and also you can put a button at the center or a mini flower, it's up to you. Okay, this is a basic flower, very basic, everybody knows how to make this. And okay, thank you for joining me, guys, and see you for the next tutorial.